You said you needed the phone.
$95. I got more than that caps in it.
I want to ask you, Pete, how's your hip?
Perfect.
Perfect? You had them both done?
Yep. At the same time.
Did they make... For me, boss?
Oh, no, for the boss lady at home.
Oh, okay. Hey, wait a minute. Those real 20s? Oh, that's Michael Jackson.
No, it's not
Andrew Jackson.
It's not the 20s. It's not the 20s you got to worry about. It's the Hundies.
Ooh.
You gotta check those and make sure they're real.
Yeah, it's gotta have the racing stripe.
Of course, the first two sales of the morning, they're like, I want this $5 radio. Can you break 100?
Yeah, I had that happen already today.
Do I look like a bank?
Hey, what are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
Wow.
This guy's like, yeah, but nobody ever fixes these anymore. I'm like, what are you talking about? I fixed both of these. Bob fixed that one.
Did I fix this one?
You fixed that one.
Oh, okay.
Nobody wants to buy a Radio Wild Restore radio, though. I don't understand it.
Everybody if they had an empty one, and nobody has an empty one. I'm like, they break all the time, so I figured that someone would get pissed off and
the big
dump
one.
the wire.
The big one?
Just no, I need the left side, the one that would normally have the blank wire.
All right, Luca will be pulling the winning tickets. That's 3 tickets. 3 tickets. First ticket, $68. $68. Here we go. Luca, pull the ticket. And he's mixing them up. And he's still mixing them up. Okay, Luca.
Four, 6, 3, 2, 6, 8.
4, 6, 3, 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6. The second drawing is the New Jersey Antique Radio Club hat. What do you mean by that? All right, Luca, pick the winning number, please.
Four, 6, 3, 3, 3, 3.
4, 6, 3, 3, 3, 3. All last threes. Oh! Okay. Don't throw those tickets down. $5 gift certificate for anything out of their pamphlet. Okay? This is $25 towards anything out of their pamphlet. So here we go for the last drawing of the day.
4, 6, 3, 2, 5, 8.
2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8. Here comes Sean.
radio.
It doesn't take up that much room. So I'm sacrificing 3 things in one, but it'll be better in the long run. And I have a jukebox in my garage, so it's going back in the house. Oh, wow. Rock all the technical.
Yes.
I would say mostly it's probably, looking at some of the numbers, I'm not sure, 12K, 12R5, I'm not sure what that is. I didn't bring my readers. Here's probably a 50-50 mix of radio and TV. That would be my guess.